This is the street elevator at Borisovo metro station in Moscow. It's a Thyssenkrupp elevator. Uses a triangle key. Here it is. Uses a triangle key. Look! A rectangular key. Basic -1. The door close button got replaced because the door close button was stuck. Capacity 630 kilograms. A person installed 2011. Here at -1. And let's go back up to 1. And the 1 button got replaced too. Probably has got several vandalisms in the elevator, but look. Basic elevator. Fixtures. STEPMODUL. Here back at 1. Exit to the street. Here to see the air vents. And if you don't think if you can see it. Oh, the sensor is there it goes, and that's it.